Oh, look at this plant, Jade. It got caught to rain during the rainy season, and my plant is really very unhealthy. I'm going to do some cutting and chopping, some pruning. So look at this. I'm going to cut the stems today and put them in small planters. For Jade, cutting and pruning is a must. They like it. Don't worry, they'll grow back very bushily. Keep it in the warm sun, bright sun. That's very important. So cut off all the unhealthy stems and let it grow back. So I'm removing all the stems. I'm not giving it any shape. I'm just removing all the stems so that the plant will grow back again. So I have made it like a tail, It's not exactly the peacock tail, but somewhat similar. But it's unhealthy, but the plant is okay. So now I removed some of the stems. Let's see the growth. And there are many planters here as well, in the small planters. They are okay, but they also need to be pruned. And look at this one. Oh, it's not healthy at all. So these plants are sun-loving plants, not indoor plants. They are outdoor plants. When the rainy season comes, you'll have to put them to area where they will get the shade from the rain. So do not keep it in the rainy water for long. Prolonged rainy water can lead to either you are killing your plant or else you will lose a healthy plant. So keep it in the bright light and take it away when it's raining and cover it, but not indoors. Oh, I have many cuttings of jade. I can either give them or put them back in small planters. You need well draining soil and sand, also coco peat to grow them back.